Welcome to the Top Hotels Worldwide channel. Here you will find only the latest and most exclusive reviews of the newest and most luxurious hotels from around the world. If you value comfort, style, and uniqueness, this channel was created especially for you. In this video, I will tell you about a new product in Turkey, FashionTV Luxe Resort, all-inclusive, which will open its doors on April 1st, 2025. This is a real pearl on the Mediterranean coast, and if you want to know the current prices, just look at the description under the video. And now, let's find out what awaits guests in this unique hotel. FashionTV Luxe Resort, all-inclusive, is a new luxury 5-star hotel that will be a real discovery for connoisseurs of elegance, comfort, and exquisite relaxation. Situated on the picturesque Mediterranean coast, in the Goynuk area, just 9 kilometers from the center of Kemer and 45 kilometers from Antalya Airport, the hotel offers a unique combination of modern design, sophisticated atmosphere, and first-class service. Surrounded by a huge green garden of $140,000 minraos, FashionTV Luxe Resort is an ideal place for those seeking harmony between nature and luxury. Here, you will find 518 spacious and elegantly decorated rooms, including facilities for guests with disabilities, as well as villas with private pools. The hotel offers all the conditions for an unforgettable holiday. 5 outdoor and 2 indoor swimming pools, including a heated one. Aqua park with slides for children and adults, opening in May. Private sandy beach with sun loungers, umbrellas, and towels. SPA center with a hammam, sauna, salt room, and a wide range of treatments. Modern gym and yoga, Pilates and stretching classes. Various restaurants and bars, including 5 a la carte with cuisines from around the world. Free alcohol, including local and imported drinks. For guests traveling with children, the hotel has prepared special conditions. 4 children's pools, kids club with educational programs and playgrounds, teens club with creative workshops and entertainment, services for newborns including strollers, cribs, and sterilizers. FashionTV Luxe Resort is not only relaxation, but also entertainment. Evening shows and live music 3 times a week. Disco and animation for adults. Sports activities including beach volleyball and water sports. Cinema, bowling, and board games. The hotel is also an ideal venue for weddings, corporate events, and conferences, with 6 modern conference rooms and event management services. FashionTV Luxe Resort is a new level of luxury and comfort on the Mediterranean coast. Discover a world where every detail is created for your pleasure. Thank you for being with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to stay up to date with new reviews of the best hotels in the world. See you in the next video.